Let us be discussed xylem. Do you know that this xylem? Some of the animals, if we touch on happen, just it can be lie in that thing in the finger. ஸோ தொட்டு பார்த்தா அப்படின்னா என்ன செய்யும், உள்ளே போயிட்டு வெளியே வரும். பட் திஸ் அ நார்மல் ஸ்ட்ரெச்சஸ் ஆர் இயர். ஸோ த பெஸ்ட் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ரவுண்ட் வேர்ம்ஸ். ரவுண்ட் வேர்ம்ஸ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா யூ ஹவ் டு சி இன் த இன்டர்னல் பார்ட்ஸ். It is hydroskeleton in structure. Hydroskeleton in structure means a moisture in condition in the body. Okay. So the coelom means the principal body cavity in most animals located between the intestine canals and the body wall. Intestine canals and body wall. So the presence of body cavity or coelom is important classifying animals. Most animals possess a body cavity. So most of the animals having the body cavity between the body wall and the alimentary canal. That is like a digestive system and is lined by this mesoderm. So some animals does not have the coelom. So that animals it having acoelomates. Acoelomates absence of coelom. A means absence of coelom. So that does not having this coelom. So but it is no body cavities here in that the animals. So without the peripheral cavity. Free movement on this thing internal organs. We have to see free movements on internal organs. Flatworms. தட்டை புழுக்கள். We have to easily absorbed in this that flatworms. Some animals does not having fully lined the mesodermal epithelial cells. Mesodermal epithelial cells. But the mesoderm is formed and scattered pouch-like structures, ectoderm and the endoderm. In between the ectoderm and endoderm, some pouch-like structures are formed. That body cavity is called as pseudocoel, and it is filled with pseudocoelomic fluid. Some fluid is present that we called as pseudocoelomic fluid. That animals we called out pseudocoelomates, roundworms. Okay, உருளை புழுக்கள். It is at pseudocoel. Pseudo means false. So coelom is a fluid cavity between the body wall and the gut wall. Coelomate animals possess a coelom between the body wall and the digestive tract. So for example, Anodonts, molluscs and arthropods. But pseudocoelomates means, so animals have the body cavity that is not lined the mesoderm. So next one it is eucoelom. Eucoelom, it is a true coelom. It is the body cavity filled with this that fluid. Okay, it develops within the mesoderm. So that is that eucoelomates. That animals we called out eucoelomates. It is a true body cavity is here in the animals. Based on this mode of formation, coelom it will be divided into two types. Eucoelomates it will be divided into two types: schizocoelomates and enterocoelomates. Schizocoelomates and enterocoelomates. Schizocoelomates means the body cavity splitting. Okay, the body cavity is splitting. So with the best example, annelids, arthropods and molluscs. Nothing. Yeah, enterocoelomates animals, the body cavity is formed with mesodermal pouches of architendron, ectodermis, hemichordates and chordates. So there are based on the mode of formation and development, two types of eucoelomates are here: enterocoelomates and schizocoelomates. Schizocoelomates splitting of the mesoderm. Enterocoelomates animals means mesodermal pouches of architendron. The body cavity is mesodermal pouches of architendron, ectodermis, hemichordates and chordates. You see that. So first one it is acoelomates, absence of coelom. There is no body cavities are here, but very visceral fluids it will be present. Okay. So next one it is pseudocoelomates means animals have this body cavity that is not lined by this mesoderm. The pseudocoelomates, such body cavities is called this pseudocoel, and filled this coelomic fluid. So So that animals we called out pseudocoelomates. Examples, roundworm. So next one it is that eucoelomate. Okay, eucoelomate it is a true coelom. The body cavity is filled with the fluids. So it comes from the mesodermal pouches. So based on this the mode of formation of the coelom, enterocoelomates and schizocoelomates. Schizocoelomates means splitting of that, means that body cavity it will be split. Yeah, so annelidans and that arthropods. So next one is the enterocoelomates, means it will be pouches like stretches are formed from the mesodermal cells. So ectodermis, chemichordates and chordates. See that development of schizocoelom, ectoderm, cut, it will be split, developing the coelom. So but in this case, enterocoelomates, separation of the pouches from coat, such a separation of the pouches from coat. So next one is the segmentation and notochords. Segmentations, do you know that this? So you got to see the cockroach. So after removing this wings, you have to see that there are some segment like stretches. Segment like stretches, that is the segmentation. So notochord means only the mesodermal cells are formed, but that this at the time of the embryonic development formed. Okay, that is the notochord. So in some animals, externally and internally divided series of repeated units. Okay, it will be repeated units, a series of repeated square or this like stretches one formed. Okay, so the repeated segments are called this. The some organs we called out in this that metamerism. Okay, metamerism we called out in this earthworm, we called this metamerism. The simplest form of segmentation is formed. Okay, simplest form of segmentation is found in the annelidans, in which unit the body is similar to this next one. So arthropods, the segments may look different as different functions. So each segment having for this different functions. So some animals possess a notochord. So notochord, what is the notochord? It is a mesodermal. It is a rod-like structures in the animal's body. Based on the presence of and absence of this notochord, the animals are classified into chordates and non-chordates. Chordates means cephalochordates, urochordates, viscous to mammalia. Chordates means it having the backbone. It having the backbone or notochord. So non-chordates means not possesses the backbone. So next one it is classification of kingdom Animalae. So kingdom Animalae, do you know that animal kingdom is divided into two subkingdoms, the Parasaura, Eumetasaura, based on the organization. Means tissue and cell and organ and organization. Okay, so organ level. So first level it is Parasaura. First we called out of this Parasaura. Do you know that Parasaura means? So the cellular level of this organization for Parasaura sponges. They does not divided. So it does not produce the tissues and organs. But it is a sponges, a multicellular structure. Next one it is a Eumetasaura. So Eumetasaura, it is a multicellular animals. It having the tissues, it well organized organ and organ system, everything. So Eumetasaura, two taxonomic levels are grades: radial, radiata, bilateral. Read to grade system it will be followed. So radiata and bilateria. Radiata. So among these animals, the organization layers is formed from two layer cells, ectoderm and endoderm. Okay, outer ectoderm and inner endoderm. It's separated from this. It does not separated. We call it out of mesogilia. So radially symmetrical or diploblastic animals are formed. Cynatians and cynatophores are formed. Okay, so this animals radiata under this grade of the radiata, the animals are formed by this two layers. Diploblastic animals are formed. It does not differentiated ectoderm and endoderm. We call out of this mesogilia. Next one is a bilateria. It is also this eumetazoans other than this radiata. So it will be classified this organ level of ornamentation, and bilaterally symmetrical and diploblastic animals are here. Bilaterally symmetrical and diploblastic animals are here. Next one is the prostomia. Prostomia means proto means first, stomium means mouth. So that at the time of the embryonic development, eumetazoans animals develops this one pore-like structures in the first segment. In the first segment, we do you know that in this that earthworm. Okay, earthworm. So that is the prostomium. That is called this prostomium. So acoelomata, pseudocoelomata and schizocoelomata is killer. Acoelomata means absence of coelom. Pseudocoelomata means so does not having the body cavity, but it is lined by this mesoderm. Okay, schizocoelomata means the splitting the coelom, mesoderm cells. Deuterostomia. Deuteron means secondary, stomium means mouth. So it will be formed by this. It is separated anus and mouth. Okay, anus and mouth is away from the blastophore. So it includes only one subdivision, enterocoelomata. Do you know that enterocoelomata means? So pouch-like structures are formed from the mesoderm. So they have the true xylem called the enterocoel formed in the architecton.